Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we are going to look at a very common and very important Java interview question. And the question here is, how do we find the first non-repeated character in a string using Java 8 String API? And this question asked in almost every Java interview question, whether you are a fresher or an experienced Java developer, because it tests your understanding of string, grouping, ordering, and other functional programming concepts. So before jumping into code, let's take one example to understand this in a better way. Suppose here I'm going to declare one string input is equal to programming. And as you can see in this string, most of the character are repeated more than one times, but some of the character appears exactly once. So let's break it down. And once I will break it down in this string, P appeared only once, then R appeared twice, O appeared once, V appeared twice, then A appeared once, then M appeared twice, then I also appeared once, and finally N also appears only once in this string. So you can see here there are five character which appears only once in this string, and out of these five character, P is the first non-repeated character in this string, and we have to print our expected output as a P here. Now I am going to start writing the code for this problem using the Stream API. And one thing I want to make you very clear, I will not write even a single program here using the traditional approach. Now, first of all, I want to convert this string into a stream of character. But as of now, Java does not provide any direct method to convert any string into a stream of character. So now the question is, what should we do in this case? And the solution is very simple. Instead of converting any string directly to a stream of character, first convert those string into int stream. And to convert this string into int stream, I am going to call the char method on this. So here I will write input, and on this input I will call the char method. And this method convert the string into int stream, where each element depends the Unicode value of a character. So at this point, we are not working with character, we are working with integer. But my requirement is not an int stream, I need a stream of character. So to convert this int stream into stream of character, I'm going to call one more method, that is map to object. And inside this method, I will start processing every element and will typecast every integer to character. Finally, my string successfully got converted to a stream of character. Now I want to group every element from this stream of character based on their value. And to group the element, I am going to call the grouping by method. And this grouping by method present inside the collectors class. So to use grouping by method, first here I will call the collect method, and inside this collect method we'll write collectors, and on this collectors we'll call the grouping by method. And inside this grouping by method, I will start processing every character one by one. Now this grouping by method is responsible to group all P together and they will place into one bucket. They will group all R together and they will put into another bucket. They will group all O together and they will put into another bucket, and so on. And once grouping is done, we need to count how many elements are present in each and every bucket. And for that, I'm going to pass the counting method as a second parameter inside this grouping by method. And the counting method also present inside the collector class. So to call the counting method, first I have to write the collectors here, and on this collectors we'll call the counting method. After this step, we'll get the result as a map of character and long. Now one very important thing you must remember about a map. A normal map does not guarantee insertion order. But here I want to maintain the insertion order. I want to preserve the insertion order because my final goal here is to find the first non-repeated character from this stream of character. And for that, insertion order matters. So what I will do is, before returning the final result, I will convert this map into link hash map. And you know that link hash map preserve the insertion order. Link hash map maintain the insertion order, and which help us to correctly identify the first non-repeated character from this stream. So let me convert this map into link hash map and we'll create the object for that. now I'm going to replace this map with link hash map. Now in this link hash map, every character is the key and frequency is their value. And now finally, we have to get the first non-repeated character from this map itself. And for that, I will convert this map into the entry set. So write here frequency map dot entry set. And this entry set is nothing but key and value pairs. So each entry has one key and one value. And on this entry set, now I will call the stream method. So let me write here dot stream. So here I'm trying to open one stream pipeline so that we can start processing each entry one by one. And on this stream, now I'm going to call the filter method. And inside this filter method, I'm going to write the predicate. I'm going to write the condition to filter out all those entries whose frequency is more than one. So what I will do here, I will processing every entry and will check their frequency. So frequency is nothing but their value. So we'll call get value equal to 1. So here I'm trying to filter out all those entries from this map whose frequency is more than 1. Now after filter out, I need only key from this map. I don't need value from this map. And to get only the key, I'll call one more method, that is map method. And inside this map method, we'll write map dot entry. And on this entry, I'm going to call the get key method. So now I have all those key whose frequency is equal to 1. But now there is a chance we have more than one character whose frequency is equal to 1. But I want first character among all those characters whose frequency is equal to 1. And for that, I'll call one more method, that is find first. This find first method will pick the first element from this map. Now, there is also a chance you don't have any character whose frequency is equal to 1. And in that case, we will get empty stream. So to avoid empty stream, I'll call or else method. If the stream is empty, then I'm going to return as a null. Now I'm going to assign this result into one of the character variable. So we'll declare a character, first non-repeated character. Now let me print this value, and for that I'm going to write the sysout here. And in this sysout, I'm going to write some message and we'll write first non-repeated character. Now let me run this example and let me show you the output. You can see here, first non-repeated character in the given string is key. So this is all about how we can find out the first non-repeated character from any given string. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video with one more new question.